This stuff is really good. It's not greasy. Hyaluronic acid in it.
Who are you talking to?
That's weird. Was I supposed to wet it? Maybe. You can use a cream blush, but I'm gonna use a powder one. Here. Always dab it at the back of your hand for a more natural finish. Go wet this first. Stop. Try to put it at the back of my hand. Put it here. Pat it. More. Instead of lip liner, I'm using bronzer, my cream bronzer. With this. Oh. More towards the end here. I didn't add anything to my lips other than the bronzer. If you don't have as pink of lips, if you don't have that much color on your lips, add a little bit of color, whatever color that you want that looks more natural. Outline my lips and blend the bronzer out as a lip liner. But I prefer a bronzer. Crease. I had to contour my nose a little bit. first before I do it. Just a little bit here. So this is what it looks like. It still looks like I got a lot of makeup on. I didn't even apply that much. So I'm gonna apply on just a little bit of highlighter to the cheekbones and the nose.